Hi everyone, I bought this Dell laptop. It is called the Dell Inspiron 13 7000 series 2-in-1 model 7306. It's color black, 13.3 inches touch display with webcam. It is fast. It has the Intel Core i7 processor, 16 gig memory RAM, 512 gig memory. Alright, I'm so excited.
I want to see.
Alright, I'm so excited.
I want to see.
It's kind of hard.
I want to see Papa's new computer.
Yes, so what's inside?
We wasted all our money.
Wow, I think this is the pen.
Fusion.
Let's see what's
Oh,
inside.
I have a pen.
No, one at a time.
Oh.
Open. Wow, so this is the stylus or the pen.
Wait,
It has its own pen. I like it because that way it would be easier for you if you want to write something in the monitor. Right? This is the electric plug, the charger. See? Very good quality. Alright, let's see. Be careful. Wow. See? It's very light and thin. Okay. See, the color is elemental black. Very smooth, good quality product. Inspiron in the back. Okay, let's open. Alright, are you guys ready to see? Wow, look at those. Look at the edge. Very smooth. And I have the pen here also. I'm gonna have it ready. So here is the power button. So first you have to plug it in. There you go. Starting up. That's very nice. You can see the screen is good in resolution.
Along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Wow.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Okay, that was Cortana talking and assisting you to set up the computer.
Voice mode on.
United States. Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes, now we can try the touch screen. Very
Do you also
sensitive.
type with another keyboard layout?
Skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates. Now type your credentials. Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.
Next.
Now we have some important setup to do. Now let's see what's new from Windows. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows. Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done. Windows Hello gives you a couple of options for signing in speedily and securely. Would you prefer to use your fingerprint or your face?
Ano, base.
C to read your fingerprints. These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready. Based on the activities you choose here, you will get a personalized experience as you set up your device. Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep doing what you were doing, even when you switch devices. Just choose Yes to sync your activities. Now let's link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices. We'll send you a text to get everything set up. Just type your phone number and press send. Way to your phone. Feel free to finish linking your phone and PC first. We can wait. Microsoft 365. So let's set it up on your device. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work? Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Now the setup is done. Now let's try to flip the device. If you want it this way, that's also fine, but there's another way how to use this Dell. You unplug it, then you can have it flipped like this way. You just have to be careful. If you want it this way, also okay. See? It will automatically reverse the screen. Let's try it. So for example, you want to go to google.com. It will automatically show the keyboard. So let's start typing it. Google. Then hit enter. So for example, you want to search for Dell. I like it because the screen is very sensitive. You don't have to press it too hard. So the touch screen was good. See that? So this is the Dell Inspiron 2-in-1. I guess they called it a 2-in-1 because you can use it in two ways. Either this way or the old-fashioned way. Like this. So if you want to go to YouTube, let's see how it goes when playing videos from YouTube, or maybe streaming any movies you want. Okay. See, it's very fast.
Hello mga kaposa, kumusta kayo dyan? O ngayon bali mag-ano kami ngayon, mag-mukbang tawag na mukbang. May nag-text kasi sa akin, sabi niya, Kuya, gusto ko makita kayong nag-mukbang. Para daw gusto niya rin makita yung style ko.
I like it.
Sige,
So far the resolution, it's so good. Very clear.
pagbigyan natin. Oh, sige, anong kakainin natin?
Meron tayo ditong crispy pata. Even the sound, it's so good. Very crisp. Very clear sound.
Sarap. Mga nakaka-high blood yung ulam natin. Meron pansit, bulalo.
So, let's try to make it a little bit louder.
Meron kaming laing. Tapos, syempre, kanin. Hindi pwedeng mawala. And for the dessert,
so, even with the loudest volume, it's very good.
what's this? Biko?
Biko.
Can you hear it, guys?
Atsara.
Tsara. Tsaka ito, pansit.
Yan, sinabi ko na yan.
Sige, kalimutan mo sabihin yung Louisiana
Hot sauce.
hot sauce.
Mahilig siya.
I have here the Dell pen. So there's a space here for the pen. It will automatically charge the pen too. So let's try. There you go. It is magnetic. Once you put the pen there, it will go stick to the monitor. See? It attracts it. So while the pen is there, it is also at the same time it's charging it. Okay guys, that's all. All in all, I can say that this is a 5-star rate. This Dell Inspiron is such a good laptop, especially if you want to something that is fast. It's good for video editing, video streaming, and everything. That's it. So I'm happy with this product. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Bye.